We're following the Fitbit IPO this morning. Big
finally
pop.
Began trading.
Yes.
And let's go to Julie Hyman with a look at how the early trade is going. Jules?
It's going very well for the folks over at Fitbit, at least.
For everybody who got Syndicate, right?
Exactly. For everyone who got those shares, it's going quite well. The shares are surging in the first day of trading after they priced at $20 a piece. Then we saw an opening trade of $30.40. It looks like they're down a little bit from that, but still seeing up 51% from the IPO price of $20 a share. Remember, the company raised just over $700 million in that IPO. Now, I wanted to compare it to some other recent IPOs to see what we have seen, particularly in technology. Remember Etsy, for example, which priced at $16 back on April 15. Now, the stock was up 88% in its first day, but since then it has come down 48%, in part because of concerns about possible counterfeits on its site and some other issues. So the share's down 3% since the IPO. GoDaddy is one that came public at the end of March. $20 is where those shares were priced. The stock went up 31% on the first day and then kept going up, rising 20% since. So this is one that's performed better. There's an index that Bloomberg actually keeps of IPOs. It's the BIPO is the ticker for it. It's companies that have come public in the 12 months prior here. It's up about 6% over the last year, but that compares with 8% for the S&P 500. And if we have time, quick look inside my Bloomberg terminal on the IPO function. So this is a graph of IPOs over the past 2 years. Blue is the deal volume. Green is the number of deals. And we have seen, and we've talked about this a lot, the drop-off in IPOs over the past couple of years because many companies have decided to raise money in the private market. They haven't come to the public market. So this year we've seen a little bit of an uptick, but not really anything substantial here. So maybe the few big IPOs we're seeing are getting even more attention than they otherwise would.
Exactly. I mean, today we're talking about this $4 billion IPO, Fitbit. Meanwhile, Airbnb raises its valuation to $24 billion, and they're not going public. Right. So it's a very good point.
Public in this market. All right, Julie Hyman, thank you so much.